Hi children, nice to meet you again. I hope you have followed all my earlier lessons. Today I want to go on to a new section, factorization. Factorization is a very important section because everywhere you get expression to factorize and then only to simplify. So we'll start from the easiest section. So there are altogether 4 types of factorization. 4 types of factorization. The first type is common factors. I'll give an example. 2x plus 3xy. Now here we have this one expression. Then there are 2 terms in this expression. In these 2 terms you will notice that x is found in both terms. So x is common. So what we do is we take out x and put a bracket. And we write the remaining terms in the bracket. So when we take out from 2x, when we take out x, 2 is remaining. Same way, and this plus is there. From 3xy, when you take out x, you get 3y. So when you factorize this expression, the answer will be x into 2 plus 3y. So there are 2 factors for this expression. What is one factor? One factor is x. The other factor is 2 plus 3y. We'll take another example. Look, there are 3 terms here. AB plus AC plus AD. And all the 3 terms you get A as a common factor. So we take out A. And we write out the remaining. So B, here remaining B plus 3C plus D. And if you want to check the answer, you can multiply A into B, AB, A into C, AC, A into D, AD. We'll take one more example on this type. 6x minus 12x squared y. Now you will notice that in these 2 expressions, 6 is common. So we take out 6. 2 is also common, 3 is also common, but we must always take the highest factor. Highest factor 2, so 6 is common. Take out 6. Then also we notice that x is common. So we take out x. Okay. Now we have taken out 6x. So we have taken out the whole thing here. So what is remaining here? Many children think that nothing remaining and they just write only this one. No, it's not. So when we take out the 6, we know that 1 is remaining. Because when you multiply, remove the bracket, you must get this expression. So only if there is 1 here, that you will be getting 6x. So 6x into 1 is 6x. And what is remaining here is minus, out of the 12 you have taken away 2, 6. So 2 is remaining. Out of the 12 factor, 2 into 6, you have taken out 2. You have taken out 6, 2 is remaining. So out of x squared, you have taken out 1x, so another x remaining and a y remaining. So this is the answer for that. 6x squared minus 12xy is equal to 6x bracket 1 minus 2xy. We'll take another example, children. This is another type called where there are 4 terms. We have to do factorizing by grouping. Earlier we found the common factors of one expression. Now here we notice there is nothing common. All these expressions there is nothing common. So we can't take out a common factor. So we have to do another method called factorizing by grouping. This is very important. We'll be coming to this later also. So what we do is we take this as one group, this as another group. For this group, what is common? A is common. Take out A. Then what is remaining here? X plus y. So we have factorized this part. And this plus, for this group 3 is common. You take out 3 and remaining here x plus y. Now can you see now in these 4 terms, there is nothing common for all 4 terms. So what we do is we select 2 by 2. Ax plus ay and 3x plus 3y. So for this a is common and for this 3 is common. So when you take it out like that, you will notice that for the whole thing, x plus y is common. For the whole expression, when you look at it, x plus y, and there are 2 terms here now. This is one term, this is another term. So both terms, x plus y is common, so we take out x plus y. And what is remaining here is, here a is remaining and 3 is remaining there. So the factor for this expression, 4 terms expression, is x plus y into a plus 3. This is called factorizing by grouping. We'll take another one. Ax minus 8x plus 3a minus 24. Now here we have 4 terms. We don't have anything common for 4 terms. So we have to use the method of factorizing by grouping. So for this one, if you notice, x is common. So I put a minus 8. Here 3 is common. Take out 3, then a minus 8. 3a minus 24. So for all this whole expression, we notice that x minus a minus 8 is common. You take out a minus 8, then you have x plus 3. So the factors for this 4 expression, that is ax minus 8x plus 3a minus 24 is equal to a minus 8 into x plus 3. We'll take another example. Look at this, children. Now here we have b squared plus 5b minus 2b minus 10. So here also nothing is common for the whole thing. So we have to take by grouping. So this group b is common. Take out b. So remaining b plus 5. When you take out b from the b squared, out of the 2 b's, we have taken out 1b. Then 1b remaining. Out of the 5b, we have taken out the b, 5 is remaining. Here then minus. Minus out of the 2b, what is common here? 2 is common. 2b and 10, 2 is common. So we take out the 2, minus 2. And here b is remaining. Now what is the sign here? That's what you have to be careful. Now there is a rule to say that if you put a bracket before a minus sign, the inside sign changes. That's the rule. So what happens is now because the minus is, this will become plus. Because plus 5. Now when you remove the bracket, minus 2 into b, minus 2b, minus 2 into plus 5 minus 10. You must be very careful that you have to get this minus here. When you remove the bracket, you must get this. Minus 2 into b, minus 2b, minus 2 into plus 5, plus minus and minus, plus minus 2 into 5, 10. So now can you see, 2b plus 5 is common for all. So take b plus 5 as the common factor for the whole expression, and balance will be b minus 2. We'll take one more example. Invariably, you will be getting for the O level, if they give anyone in the factorization, definitely they will give one on this minus type. Now here, look at this. For this expression, 5 is common, you take 1 plus x. I told you, when you take out the 5, many children think that nothing remains here. But we know that there is 1 here, because 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is 5. So we take 1 remaining there, so 1 plus x. So here, y is remaining, this minus and y. So again when you take out y, there is 1 remaining there. So when there is minus outside, the inside side changes, become plus. So y taken out, so x is remaining there. So when you remove the bracket, you will say minus y into 1 minus y into plus x, minus and plus minus xy. So 1 plus x common. So take out 1 plus x. Remaining is 5 minus y. So these are all the types children that I am going to do today. There is 2 more types we'll be doing on the next lesson. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. I hope you have understood. Please do a lot of exercises so that you can get enough practice. If you like the lesson, please subscribe.